Hello, welcome to my channel. Now the question is 6 raised to the power a plus 6 raised to the power a plus 6 raised to the power a over 3 raised to the power a plus 3 raised to the power a plus 3 raised to the power a is equal to 96. We have to find the value of a. Solution. Taking 6a common, 6a common, 1 plus 1 plus 1 over taking 3 raised to the power a common, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 96. Now 6 raised to the power a over 3 raised to the power a into 3 over 3 is equal to 96. 3 is cancelled. Now we can using a raised to the power b over c raised to the power b is equal to a over c raised to the power b. Therefore 6 over 3 raised to the power a is equal to 96. Now 3 to the 6, 2 raised to the power a is equal to 96. Taking log on both sides, log 2 raised to the power a is equal to log 96. Here using log a raised to the power b is equal to b log a, this relation. Now a log 2 is equal to log 96. Then 96 we factorize it, 2, then 48, 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Then a log 2 is equal to log 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 raised to the power 5 into 3. Then a is equal to log 2 raised to the power 5 plus log 3 over log 2. A is equal to using above formula log 2 raised power 5, then the power comes in the beginning. 5 log 2 over log 2 plus log 3 over log 2. This is cancelled with this, then a is equal to 5. This log 3 using log a over log b is equal to log a base b, then plus log 3 base 2, which is our answer. Now verification. Verification. 2 raised to the power using above steps. 2 raised to the power a is equal to 96. 2 raised to the power 5 plus log 32 is equal to 96. Two raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power 96. 32, 2 raised to the power a raised to the power log a b is equal to b, then this is 3 is equal to 96. Now 96 is equal to 96. 32 3 the 96, therefore verified. Our answer here, this is our answer.